So there are two committees in this problem. One is the finance, the other is planning committee, and each had n members. And no one was a member of both committees, meaning no overlap. So unique people here. So total is 2n. We're told at the end of the year, 5 members left the finance committee, so it's n minus 5, and this is n minus 3. How many members did the finance committee have at the beginning of the year? So really just looking for n, which is the same for both. So starting with statement 1 says, ratio of the total number of members who left, the ratio of the total number of members who left at the end of the year, so the number of people who left were 8, to the total number of members at the beginning of the year, which is 2n, was 1 to 6. So that's statement 1. We can find what n is. Don't have to solve it, but sometimes when the numbers are easy, I do it because it tells me if I translate the statements correctly when I go to statement 2, if indeed it's sufficient. So sometimes I do that. But 1 alone is sufficient. Looking at 2, at the end of the year, 21 members remained on the planning committee, which means these two added is equal to 21, which means 2n minus 8. Oh, so see, this is where I made a mistake in translation. So at the end of the year, 21 members remained on the planning commission. So they're saying n minus 3 is 21. So I misread it as 21 members remained in the entire finance and planning. So that's one thing you do have to watch out, reading carefully. So n is 24. Does square out with statement 1, so I know my translation was correct, exactly what I was referring to. But of course, there is a penalty to doing this additional work, but sometimes it's easy enough that it takes another second or so. So 2 alone is also sufficient. Answer is D.